I'm about to show you something that is going to make you angry. Not at me, at yourself. Getting ahead of 99% of people with AI is actually easier than you think. They just don't know how to use the right prompts. I made $330,000 in 60 days, multiple 6 and 7 figures over 12 years. And in the last 18 months, ChatGPT has replaced what it used to be 5-person team for me. But the problem is, 99% of people are using ChatGPT like a fancy Google search. They're typing prompts into a box. That's it. What I'm about to show you are 7 features inside ChatGPT that you can use to get ahead of 99% of the people, even if you're a complete beginner. Most people don't even know they exist. First thing, get ChatGPT Plus or Pro account. $20 a month. I know I'm asking you to spend money, but stick with me here. It's literally cheaper than ordering delivery. Even 2 matcha lattes at Starbucks cost more than ChatGPT Pro these days. It will make you 10 times more money if you use these next features. So let's go. Step 1. Introduce yourself. Right now you're a stranger to ChatGPT. To get ahead of 99% of people, you need to teach ChatGPT who you are so it remembers it in every conversation. Go to ChatGPT, click your name at the left bottom corner and click Personalization. You're going to see a couple of options here, but the most important ones are these: custom instructions. This alone will change the way you use AI. It's a game changer. Here are my instructions. You're my ruthless mentor. Don't sugarcoat anything. If my idea is weak, call it trash and tell me why. Your job is to stress test everything I say until it's bulletproof. I want you to make me the best of my kind. Use simple language, give me step-by-step instructions, show me real examples, tell me what to do first, then next. Don't use jargon. And by the way, if you want these exact instructions, type in the comments instructions and I'm gonna give it to you. Now, ChatGPT knows how to respond to you. Now, the second section is about you. Give yourself a nickname. In my case, it's Ross. Now, occupation. This is based on your field of expertise currently, or if you don't have an expertise, you can even say freelancer, copywriter, wedding photographer. As you can see, I can say business owner, digital entrepreneur, and coach. But now here it gets more interesting. More about you, your interests, values, or preferences to keep in mind. So let's say you're just a beginner and you're going to say, I'm learning how to grow an online business. I'm not technical. I learn by doing. I value simple explanations and specific examples. I'm currently working a full-time job and building my business on the side. That's it. That gives a lot of context to ChatGPT to know who you are and how to create the answers based on your case. Hit save. Now every conversation is going to be personalized to you. Now watch, I'm starting a new conversation. Help me make money online. Look at these responses. It's talking to you, your level, your situation. Most people never set this up. You just did. But context alone won't make you part of the 1%. Which is why if you want to get ahead of 99% of people, you need step number 2. Create what is called projects. Project folders. This gives ChatGPT long-term memory. This is where you're literally starting to get ahead of 99% of the people. By the way, if you're getting value from this, smash the like button and subscribe for more content like this. In each video, I go deeper into unconventional ways to make money online. Now, click projects on the left sidebar and click new project. So let's say you're creating a mini course about email marketing. Name it after your product. For example, email marketing course launch. Now, here's what makes this so powerful. You can upload all your research, all your competitors' analysis, your customer survey, everything. And ChatGPT remembers it all in every conversation. So I'm gonna click create project. And on the right side, you see this button, add files. This is the magic. I'm gonna click this and now here, as you can see, you can add documents, code files, images, and more. But because we are smarter marketers, we're going to actually use a trick. I'm going to ask the project folder to create me a product file for the project itself. So here is my prompt. Create me instructions for a project called email marketing, and I'm actually going to copy and paste the entire title. This is my project. So now what I'm going to say, I'm typing targeted audience, small business owners making $50,000 to $100,000 per year who struggle to write emails that convert. Price $297 or $297. The competition, there are big courses at $2,000 and cheap courses at $47. I'm positioned in the middle with better results. Launch date 60 days from now. My unique angle is I focus on simple emails that make sales, not complex automations. Now I have all the answers for my project, and I'm going to just simply say or ask ChatGPT to export this into a PDF, and I'm going to literally add files and upload the file we just created again with ChatGPT. See, your files stay here on top. Now every conversation in the project, ChatGPT knows your entire business context. So watch, I'm typing, what should I create first? Look at the response. It knows your target audience, it knows your positioning, and it knows your timeline. It's giving you a personalized action plan based on your specific launch. You don't have to re-explain your business in every conversation. You can have separate projects for your online businesses, your side businesses, your fitness journey, your learning a new skill, etc. Each one has its own memory. Each one stays organized. This is how you get ahead of 99% of people who use ChatGPT. Fair warning, step 6 is what separates people who make $10 with AI and people who make $10,000. But I'm honestly shocked to see how many people have never used this next feature. Step number 3, agent mode. It's kind of a new one and it's insane. When you start a new chat, click the model drop down at the top, select the agent mode option. Agent mode means ChatGPT doesn't just answer, it acts. It can research the web, it can analyze and research, it can run calculations, it can chain together multiple steps on its own. Watch this, I'm typing. I want to create a digital product about productivity for remote workers. Research the current market. Find the top 3 competitors, their price points, what customers complain about in reviews, and identify 3 gaps I can fill. Give me specific product positioning based on what you find. Watch what happens. It's opening its own browser, and now it's finding competitors. It's reading customer reviews. It's analyzing price points. It's identifying market gaps. I didn't tell it how to do this. I told it what I needed, and it's going to do complete market research. So I actually stopped the report because it's going to take some time. For the sake of the video, I don't want to waste your time. But last time when I used it, I created a report. It found 3 major competitors with their exact prices. It found common customer complaints like too complicated and it doesn't work for my specific situation. It identified 3 gaps: quick start guides for beginners, industry-specific templates, and done-for-you systems. This is market research that would normally take me 3 days and cost me money for tools. Agent mode did it in 5 minutes, and this is how you validate product ideas before you waste time building something nobody wants. A fair warning, step number 5 introduces a concept that most people never discover. It fundamentally changes how you use this tool to make money. But before that, step number 4, adding sources. This is how you teach ChatGPT about your specific situation. So if you're on a new chat and you click this plus sign, see this paperclip icon? Click it. You can upload PDFs, Word documents, spreadsheets, images. Let me show you something very powerful. I'm uploading a document with all my best social media posts from the last year. Here it is. Now I say, analyze these posts and videos. Identify the top 5 topics people engaged with most. For each topic, create a digital product idea I could sell. Tell me which one has the highest profit potential. Watch this. It's reading all my posts and videos from my YouTube and other social media. It's identifying patterns and it's seeing which topics got the most engagement. And now it's giving me 5 product ideas based on what my audience already proved they want. Look at this. It found my posts about AI digital products to be more engaging. And the product idea it's giving me is to create a product launch kit, templates, ChatGPT prompts, and step-by-step videos for building and selling AI-powered ebooks, mini courses, or automations. And the profit potential that it's giving me is high recurring sales, scalable to $497 courses. It's even giving me the product outline. You can upload YouTube video transcripts and turn them into an ebook. Upload your podcast notes and turn them into a course outline. Upload customer questions and turn them into FAQ products. Upload your competitor sales page and analyze what's working. If you're starting from zero, if you're starting without an audience, you can even upload your resume. Type review my resume, tell me what's strong and what's weak, then write or rewrite the weak sections to be more compelling. ChatGPT can't help you with what it cannot see. Upload your sources, let it find the gold you're sitting on. Quick pause for a second. If you're getting value from this content, smash the like button and subscribe for more content like this. Step 5. The prompt generator. Here's the secret. You don't have to know how to write perfect prompts. You can have ChatGPT create the prompts for you. Watch this. I'm typing, I need to write sales emails for my digital product launch. Create a perfect prompt I should use to get high converting email copy from you. Include what information I should provide about my product, audience, and offer. Look at this. It just created a detailed prompt template that's better than anything I could write myself. It's telling me to include my product benefits, customer pain points, price bonuses, deadline, and desired tone. Now I can copy this prompt template, fill in my specific information, and use it for every product launch. So now, let me use it. I'm copying this prompt, opening a new chat, and filling it with my product details. Look at this email sequence it created. 5 emails with perfect hooks, stories, and calls to action. This is better than most copywriters I've ever hired. You can do this for everything in your business. Create a prompt template for writing sales page copy. Create a prompt for creating lead magnets, or create a prompt for launching on social media, or create a prompt for creating course outlines. You're building a library of business prompts. Save them in a document. Reuse them for every launch. You never have to think about prompting again. You just fill in your product details and go. Now, we're just missing one final step to make sure you're using ChatGPT like a total pro and outperforming 99% of the people. And honestly, this might even get you ahead of 99.9999% of the people. This is the most powerful feature nobody talks about. You can use custom GPTs, yes. But no one talks about you can actually create your own version of ChatGPT programmed for one specific thing. I have private affiliate marketing community called Profit Avengers. To help my students maximize and boost their revenue, I created a custom GPT called Profit Avengers Ad Script Writer. It writes better ad scripts than any human copywriter I've hired. Let me show you how to make one. Click Export GPTs in the left sidebar. Click Create at the top. You'll see 2 tabs, Create and Configure. The Create tab talks to you and builds it. The Configure tab lets you set it up manually. I'm going with manual, more control. Click Configure. Now, let's build a custom GPT for creating digital products. Name it, let's say, Digital Product Creator. And description is going to be helps you brainstorm, plan, and outline digital products like courses, ebooks, templates, and guides that people will actually buy. Now, scroll down to the instructions. This is the brain of your custom GPT. Here's what I'm typing. You're an expert digital product creator who has launched hundreds of successful products. When someone comes to you with a product idea, you first validate if there's market demand for it. Second, help them create a clear product outline with modules or chapters. Third, suggest the best format, course, ebook, template, toolkit. 4, create a pricing strategy based on perceived value. 5, identify the main customer pain points the product solves, and always think about what will sell, not just what's interesting. Focus on transformation and results. Be direct about what will work and what won't. But you want to see something even better? You can copy and paste an entire conversation that you had in the past with ChatGPT to be as an example and instruction. For my custom GPT Profit Avengers, I've actually copied days and even weeks of chats with GPT about copywriting. Now, scroll down to the conversation starter. I'm adding these. Help me validate my product idea, create an outline for my digital product, what should I price this at, and what pain points does this solve? And now, just because I love customization, add your own plugin picture or icon. Click Create, done. You just build your own AI tool. Let me test it actually for you. I'm typing. I want to create a course teaching people how to start a YouTube channel from scratch. Look at this. It's validating the market. It's asking me clarifying questions. It's creating a module structure. It's suggesting a price point based on the transformation. This took me 5 minutes to build. Now, every time I have a product idea, I run it through this custom GPT first. You can make this for anything. One for email marketing, one for sales pages, one for content ideas, meal planning, workout routines, study guides. You name it. You just learn how to build your own business tools. Step 7. This is where you become advanced. You combine multiple features into one powerful workflow. Let me show you a real example. How I use all of these features together. So let's say I want to start a new digital product business. Here is how I do it. First, I create a project called New Product Launch and add my business context, my target audience demographics, my existing products, my email list size, my revenue goals. Second, I turn on agent mode and have it to do market research. Research this niche, find competitors, analyze this pricing, read customer reviews, identify gaps. It comes back with a complete market analysis. Third, I upload sources. I upload competitor sales pages, I upload customer surveys, responses, I upload my best performing content, if I have one, of course. If you're starting from scratch, you would not have. Now, ChatGPT knows everything. Fourth, I create my custom digital product creator, GPT. I give it all the research and then I say, based on everything in this project, create me product outline, pricing strategy and positioning. Fifth, I use the prompt generator. Create prompts for writing my sales pages, my email sequences, and my social media launch posts. And also my webinar script or a VSL script if I'm gonna use one. Now watch what happens. I'm typing. Using everything we've discussed in this project, all the research, all the customer data, create my complete product launch plan. Include product outline with modules, sales pages structure, 7-day email sequence, social media content calendar, launch timeline, and revenue projections. And now watch it work. It's pulling from my custom instructions so it knows my style. It's checking the uploaded competitor research. It's using the market analysis. It's creating complete launch plan. And check this output. Complete product outline with 12 modules. Sales pages with headlines, bullets and guarantee. 7-day email sequence with subject lines and copy. 30 social media posts, schedule, 60-day timeline. Revenue projections based on my list size. This is what it used to take me 3 weeks and a team of people. Now it takes me 2 hours. That's the system. All 7 features working together. This is what the top 1% do. They don't just use ChatGPT, they build complete business systems with it. What you should do next, watch the video in the description, where you will see how I create a digital product from scratch that generates $4,000 per week using AI. I'll see you in that video. So click it, it's right here in the corner.